I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play You've Got to Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles. Start with the chords. A G, your first finger hangs. Your middle finger plays the 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger plays the 6th string, 3rd fret. And your pinky curls up and plays the 1st string, 3rd fret. You're going to play all 6 strings. To go from the G to the D, pick your pinky up, slide these 2 fingers over to the 1st string and 2nd string. The middle finger is on the 1st string, 2nd fret. The ring finger is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then your 1st finger plays the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you're going to play 4 strings. To go from the D to the F, you're going to, again, pick up your 1st finger, move these 2 fingers over to the 4th and 3rd string, lay your 1st finger down on the first 2 strings on the 1st fret. Play 4 strings. In the play-along video, you're going to see me play a full barred F. Your 1st finger goes all the way across the 1st fret, so you got that nice low F. Your middle finger still plays the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Your ring finger gets the 5th string, 3rd fret, and your pinky gets the 4th string, 3rd fret, and you play all 6. Louder, you got the nice low F. To go from G to C, pick your pinky up again, move these 2 fingers over 1 string, so your middle finger is on the 4th string, 2nd fret, your ring finger is on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and then your 1st finger plays on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Play 5 strings. Your strumming pattern is going to be based on a 6/8 strum, so it's going to sound something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, and gives it that nice rolling Celtic feel. Most of the song, you're going to be playing the 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 3 and 1. But as long as you're keeping the steady beat going, anything you hit is going to sound right. Okay, there are a couple of little walking patterns that kind of make the song, so it pays you to learn. The first one is at the end of the verse. You're going to end up on a D chord. The first little melodic chord pattern is at the end of the verse. You're playing a D chord, and to that D you're going to add a C, 5th string, 3rd fret. I play it with my pinky. You can play it with your 1st finger if you want to. Kind of leaves a G on the D chord, but it sounds kind of cool. And then 5th string, 2nd fret, a B, and then open A, and then you're on into the chorus. That's where the second walking pattern happens. Low G, A, put your middle finger back down to the 2nd fret, C chord. You're literally walking from the G to the C. Now, you don't pluck it like that. Well, you can pluck it like that if you want to, but I usually just strum it and let my fingers do the walking, so to speak. Wow, that's really hard to do on the neck. In the chorus, you're going to do a D sus folk pattern. You're going to start off on a D sus4 with your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. If it's more comfortable, you can lay your ring finger over and play it. And then play a regular D, and then pick up your middle finger, and you do that every chorus. Nothing to it. There's the basics for You've Got to Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles. Don't forget to check below the video for links to a chord chart to this song, a play-along video to help you stay in time, as well as links to other songs that you might like to learn. Below that, there's this big gray box that's for your questions. If you didn't understand something, it's my fault. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com. This has been How to Play You've Got to Hide Your Love Away by the Beatles. Thank you for watching. Hey, you've got to hide your love away.